Ricardo.
Used cars!
Yep, yep, yep,
I
yep,
got the
yep, yep,
used
yep,
car
yep,
for
yep,
you
yep,
right
yep.
here.
That's what we're gonna do,
She's
man.
a honey?
Yeah.
So-
it was not previously owned.
It didn't exist.
We are making it from scratch, baby.
It wasn't anything, yeah. So we are going to build it as a passive income mode.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Just from the scratch. So there'll be a little bit of an upfront work on it, but knowing that everything is going to become systemized just like the real estate. And after that, basically we will have capitalized it, and then in owning it, it'll make money when we're not there.
I'm so excited to bring them along on this tour.
Oh, it's going to be
It'll
awesome! Like all of
man.
the victories and all of the. In fact, that needs to be one of the upcoming episodes. Needs to be dedicated to the whole concept of that. We need to middle note that down. But yeah, it'll be so much fun because, dude, I can't change the oil on my car. I can change the spare tire. I've accomplished that several times, but beyond that, it's about all I can do.
Yeah.
So I don't think you have to. You don't have to really know those things. You have to know guys that know those things.
That's the key, brother.
That's the key.
That's always the key.
In there lies the rub. So, Richard, we will holler at you and take you on tour as we'll bring you on that journey as it relates to our used car business and more specifically how it's going to be passive income.
Thanks, man.
Peace.
Yep, 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 yep.